I'm Zoe Williamson.
And I'm Lillie Hutlas, and welcome back to the rundown for the week of October 31st through November 4th.
We all hope you had a happy Halloween.
Did you have fun on the late start this Wednesday?
I did. It was worth not sleeping in. Here's Ella Turner with some more information.
Our media arts class took a field trip to Bossier Parish Community College to learn more about video production. This past Thursday, the media arts class here at Loyola got to learn more about the film world. The Bossier Parish Community College media team helped our students learn more advanced skills that they will be able to implement in the classroom.
Today is Thursday, and we had some great visitors from Loyola campus. They came and checked out Bipsy's TV studio, and we put them right to work. We did everything from director board, teleprompter, graphics, playback, and sound. And even though they came in cold with different equipment, since they've been practicing in their classes, it was a great experience, and I was so glad they came to visit.
At the Bipsy campus, I got to be a news anchor on their news channel, and it was challenging, but it was really fun learning how they do it, and I also got to produce it, so I really got a feel for everything.
It was really exciting to go to Bipsy today. I got to do the weather, which was really cool because there's a real difference between when you do it here and when you do it there with the real green screen actions.
So we went to Bipsy this morning and it was really fun. I got to anchor for their news report and I got to learn about all their audio production and I got to look around in their set.
Going to Bipsy is a great experience just for the students themselves to experience how you work with multiple cameras and a lot of different equipment, so it's great for them to get a little bit of hands-on on what it's like at the next level.
From the campus of Bossier Parish Community College, this has been Ella Turner.
Thanks, Ella. We sure did learn so many new things.
Speaking of learning new things, I've always wanted to know more about Mr. Donnie.
Well, I know that Madeline Lowe has some info she can share.
You all know our beloved janitor, Mr. Donnie, but I was thinking, how well do we really know him? Here's 60 seconds with Mr. Donnie. All right, I'm here with everybody's favorite custodian, Mr. Donnie, and we're going to ask him a couple of questions. You ready to get started?
Ready.
All right. How long have you been working here at Loyola, Mr. Donnie?
About 21 years.
21 years. Do you have a favorite part or a least favorite part about the job?
My favorite part about this job is making sure the school is safe for everybody.
Understandable. Least favorite?
Least favorite when the kid pull a prank on me and I have to do unnecessary work. Yeah, or the prank is because I got to go clean it up, so it'll be on me.
Do you think you have a favorite memory at Loyola so
My
far?
favorite memory of here is like Faith Day when we help everybody, giving out the baskets for the needed people. So,
Now this one might be a little controversial, but do you have a favorite memory, or do you have a favorite student or faculty member at Loyola so far?
No, all one big happy family.
Now are you just saying that?
No, we all one big happy family.
And if you could have one other job in the whole world, Mr. Donnie, what would it be?
Another job in the whole world? Retire.
I'm so glad we all got to learn a little bit more about you. Our school wouldn't be the same without you, Mr. Donnie. This has been Madeline Lowe.
We are so thankful to have you, Mr. Donnie. You do such amazing things for Loyola.
Have you noticed the new guests around Loyola recently?
I have, but I know Jack Brooks could tell us so much more.
Just last week was Open House Week, which means that middle schoolers as well as their parents went on tours of Loyola to see how they like this school. Now here's Mr. Andy Klein to talk about how these tours went.
Good thing is for St. Mark students, y'all have already tested and I actually have the results on my desk. I haven't looked at them yet. Open house went really well. We did it last week, Tuesday through Friday. I was blown away by the number of public school families that decided to join us, who were truly impressed by our small class sizes, the way that our teachers interact with our students, and we're excited that we were able to do it, but we can do it each and every day because it was a genuine school day. So if you missed it, we would love for you to attend a school tour, and I'd be more than happy to help you set that up. My favorite part of open house is definitely teachers interacting with students and vice versa. It shows the relationships that each one of them form, and it's something that's truly special that Loyola has. See how the smile wasn't forced? It was a natural smile.
Sounds like this open house week was a success. Thank you, Mr. Klein. And here's hoping that those middle schoolers become future flyers. This has been Jack Brooks on Open House Week.
We hope you enjoyed Loyola and become future flyers.
Zoe, did you go to the football game on Friday?
I did. It was a great game.
So many of our sports are in action. Here is Maggie Googe with this week's sports report.
The Flyers are back with another week full of athletics. Volleyball and cross country are entering the end of their season, and it's going to be an exciting finish. The Lady Flyer volleyball team has entered their playoff season with their first game played on Wednesday.
So tomorrow's our first playoff game, and I'm really excited but also a little nervous. It's going to be a really fun game, and my teammates and I have been working really hard all season to get here, so yeah.
Our first playoff game is tomorrow, and I'm so excited to play with all the girls this year. We've come a long way, and I'm really proud of all the girls no matter what happens.
The volleyball team faced the Delcambre Panthers at Loyola this past Wednesday for their first round of the volleyball by-district playoffs. Their undeniable teamwork and effort led them to victory in straight sets. They then traveled on Thursday to New Orleans to take on St. Charles Catholic High. Unfortunately, the team did not pull out the win and lost in straight sets, but we are still proud of our Lady Flyers and all they accomplished this season. The Loyola cross country team went to Lafayette on Thursday to participate in the regional cross country meet.
So we have regionals Thursday, and we've all been working really, really hard, and I can't wait to see what we're going to do.
Yeah, I'm really excited, and I think the boys can make state.
Mary Elberson led the girls in finishing in 13th place with a time of 24:28. Tripp Romer led the boys, finishing first with a time of 16:35. Both the girls and the boys qualified for state, and we're so proud of the boys for placing first overall in the region. We wish them luck as they run for state next Monday. It's bittersweet to see that senior night has already arrived for our football players and our cheerleaders.
I'm really excited for senior night, but it's also kind of bittersweet because it's one of my last games to cheer at Mesmer.
And I'm excited because I get to walk down the field with my family.
I'm super excited for Calvary this week. It's going to be one of our last home games, but we're going to make it far in the playoffs and we'll make it a state championship.
Yeah. I'm super excited for senior night. I'm hoping we can pull out a win. I think if we played how we did that second half of our previous game, we can definitely pull the win out. And I know Noah's excited too.
It's weird. You really don't think about this day coming, and it's a bit sad, but it's also exciting. Get to finish out our high school careers and hopefully keep going to the playoffs.
Yeah, it's sad that it's finally here, but it's been a fun journey and ride, and I'm glad it's all happened at Loyola. It's been a blast here.
So I'm extremely excited about senior night this Friday. We get to compete for a district championship against Calvary. A little bittersweet that it's the seniors' last regular season home game. Been with them for 4 years. They've made a lot of progress. So just looking forward to competing at the highest level to see if we can lock up a bye week in the playoffs.
This brings us to the end of the sports report for this week. This has been Maggie Gooch.
Good luck on y'all's upcoming games.
Don't forget to go to the football game on Friday for senior night.
That's all for this week's rundown.
Have a great week in Loyola!